You have never had Botox, right?
Right.
Okay, show me what it is that's bothering you.
Well, I'm not really happy with this hooding that's taking place over my eye. It's starting to droop a little. I'd like to have a...
Your brow is starting to come down just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I've seen, one of my girlfriends had it done, and it just made such a difference in her. I'd like to see that in my face also.
Okay.
And then I've noticed the scowl getting worse and worse, and then when I take away my scowl, those lines are starting to appear permanently. So
that's probably the most common area that we do Botox. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and frown for me one more time. And you can see that's caused by this muscle here. You can almost grab it when you're in that position. And here, there's two muscles on both sides right here. Frown again. So what we do with Botox, we'll put 4 or 5 little injections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to knock out that muscle, let it relax, and then your brow will take on a much more relaxed appearance. Okay? Now, what's going on with your brow? Everybody, as we go through life, the brow just slowly starts to come down, come down, come down. So Botox can give people a little bit of a chemical brow lift, is what we call it. And here's the reason. I want you to try to keep this eye open and shut your left eye real tight, and relax. You can see that your brow starts off, my finger is even with the eyebrow right there, but when you shut your eye, you have a muscle that pulls this down. So we give your brow the best chance of lifting up by freezing the edge of this muscle, letting that kind of lift up. Okay? So that's what we'll do. We'll freeze your frown complex here, and then we'll put a little bit in the corners to just give you that nice feminine arched brow that women like so much. Okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. Frown for me. Relax. One more poke. Good. And frown. Relax. Not too bad, huh?
No.
It's almost like just plucking eyebrows. A little pressure.
Exactly.
I want you to hold a little pressure right there. All right, so now we're ready to give you that little chemical brow lift. And then after your Botox too, Sherry, you can expect that Botox is going to take you about probably a good 3-4 days for it to totally set up. So you really won't notice anything for about those first 3 or 4 days, and then it'll set up with your new look. Okay. Very good. You survived. It wasn't too bad, was
No,
it?
not at all. You're exactly right. Just like tweezing your eyebrows.
Yeah. All right. A little pressure right there, and we are done.
Thank you so much.